Hello and welcome to this tutorial on odd word out. The verbal reasoning 11 plus section may include questions on finding the odd word out. There will be a group of words that are all linked in some way, except for one. Let's look at an example. Find the word that is not related to the rest. Blue, sky, indigo, red. Can you figure out which word is the odd word out? It's important to work out which words are related to one another and why. Blue, indigo, red are all colours. Therefore, sky must be the odd word out. Simple! Let's find the odd word out from these group of words: guitar, harp, violin, piano. Remember to work out which words are related to one another and why. All are instruments. However, if you look carefully, the guitar has strings, the harp has strings, and the violin has strings. So all are string instruments, except for piano, which does not have strings. Therefore, the odd word out is piano. To watch the full video and to have a go at our 11 plus practice quizzes, go to ariatuition.com. That wraps up this tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.